Hi guys, welcome. Today's video is redoing my room. So today, all I'm doing, starting off to start, is folding up the mess of clothes here. So, yes, these are actually in this box are clothes I need to probably send back to a company because they don't fit me. But I'm gonna just fold these clothes here. Yeah, I'll just put it in like fast motion, like a time lapse, because those are fun. Okay, so I just folded all of the clothes on the bed. I don't know where I'm gonna put them right now, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'll update you guys when I do something next, but for right now I don't know what I'm doing. So apparently I have a problem. And that problem is that every few months, maybe, I like to redo my room. That's what this video is, me redoing my room again. Which, you know, everyone loves this, you know. We love her, she was good. Over it, I'm over it. Redid my room 2 months ago. If you guys want to watch that video and get inspo for a whole different vibe, then definitely check it out. I'll link it in my description. I went shopping today. Do a little haul for you real quick right now. Okay, these like 3 little pictures from Target. This one. I got this one. And this one, it says BU, BU. Yeah. It's like a green color. Curtain, that's like a little lavendery, pink purple. Got this little pillow, it's kind of an orangey, yellow, gold, if you will. And then from TJ Maxx, I bought this pinkish comforter. Yes, I have a clothing rack right here. That is not for my room, that's for the room over there, which don't worry if you're kind of like, oh my gosh, she's not gonna have that background anymore, like ever again. Yes, I will. Most of these will be getting like transferred to the room over because I'm kind of redoing that room a little bit. I have to start off with cleaning my room's mess. This is an often situation I got going on in here. It's just a mess. So I'm gonna show you guys the mess, show you guys the room. And then we'll move on from it. So yeah, so excited. So excited. Okay, am I out of focus this whole time? Hope not, but I'm gonna show you guys the mess. Hallway, this is the room also I'm redoing. It's anyways, here's my door frame. You walk in, dirty clothes, stuff. This is a clothing rack that needs to go in that room. My messy little bed, you know, my snacks. Just a mess. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. I keep eating them. They're so bad, but they're so good. So yeah, I'm just an absolute mess. So I'm going to now start cleaning my room. I don't know if I should film cleaning my room because that's kind of boring. Is that boring? Also, I'm breaking out because I'm gonna start my period. I'm gonna clean my room. So it's the next day now, and I didn't end up cleaning my room. Also, I have mascara right there that I need to get off. So right now I'm going to rip these all off the wall. Just kidding, I'm not gonna rip them, but I am gonna take these off the wall. Don't worry, it won't be gone forever. I'm gonna put them into the other room, but I'm gonna start taking those down because I feel like that'll be the most time consuming thing, because then other than that, it's really just redecorating the room. So let's just do that. Let's start taking them off the wall. Okay, so here's the absolute aftermath mess. Yeah, it's a mess. My wall is blank again. I'm gonna go through here. I'm gonna pick out pictures. I plan on actually filling this small little wall right here up with them again, so I'll have that background still. But I'm just gonna pick this all up and then I'll be back. So I cleaned that up, all the trash and everything. Now my wall is all blank. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. It's so like, it's just a blank wall again. It's okay. Now I'm gonna pick up my room. Like a lot, or try to at least, and then yeah. Okay, so I took that clothing rack out and took the shoes, kind of cleared the floor for the most part, and now I'm deciding if I want to move my bed, which I kind of want to move it, and if I hate it I can move it back, but it's heavy, so that would be a lot of work. But also, whatever, I don't care. So yeah. I'm gonna move my bed. I'll set you guys up over here, my messy closet. Right here. I don't know if I'm capable of this. This is really heavy. I didn't think it was gonna be this heavy, but it's heavy. I'm doing it because I'm freaking jacked. I just want to know what idiot thought it would be a good idea to move their bed in front of their window before putting their new curtain on the window. Who thought of that idea? Stupid. That was way too difficult. Like, way more difficult than it should have been. Okay. Yes. I need to wash my sheets. They're really dirty. They're really, like, dusty now, for sure. See you on the flip side. Okay, so I'm now going to be vacuuming my room. Let's do it. I'm really bad at vacuuming, so don't take any vacuuming advice from me. Putting out the rug now.
Also, this is a mess that she does not show you.
Okay, so I just washed my sheets and I put them on my bed. And now I'm gonna put my blanket on. And I have to like change. I don't know if I love it like this yet. I don't know about the pillows, but yes, that was a lot of work. Okay. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room today.
This week I wouldn't catch that.
Drinking his Diet Coke, doing his work. We've been organizing all the clothes in this room. No, I'll never wear it.
Okay.
I look rough.
That's okay. That's natural.
This room has a lot of clothes in there. We hung up all of these clothes.
This is a great sweater. Are you going to keep this one?
Yes, keep it. The more I look at this, I notice how crooked it is, but you know what? It's fine. We cleaned this room up a lot. Me and my mom helped. Way cleaner than it was before. I'm gonna move the bed. All of that. So cute though, so it's okay. I just moved the bed to the corner to open some space up in this room. This video's a mess. It's all over the place. Okay, so it's hours later. I finished the other room. I'll show you guys really quickly, briefly. And then now I'm working on the other room. I just went to TJ Maxx. I got some goodies. Got this side table. Cute. Okay. Got this mirror thing. Cute. Oh, kind of ratchet, but it was a really good price. I got this little thingy and some things in there. I'll show you later. But the other room. Sorry. Okay, it's kind of, you know, has stuff in it. So walk in. This is so ugly. Don't look at it. Here's this mirror from my other room. Clothing rack number 1. Right there. This is the bed setup. I have a little smiley face. Don't know what to put. If you have any recommended things to put on this, comment below right now. Okay. Second clothing rack. Here's the little wall. Surfboard, got some lights kicking, you know, the bed looks really cozy, wuzzy. Okay, yeah, so that's that. Really small room. Good stuff. Here's these things. How cute, right? Target, $10 for each of them. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate my little nightstand now, because why not? I'm out of focus. My camera sucks. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Look how freaking cute that is. Y'all. That's so cute. Can I focus, please? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? That's literally so cute. Are you kidding me? Man, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I literally love it. Okay, so I'm putting stuff on this little wall here above my nightstand, the one I love so much. And I'm actually hanging my 100,000 subscriber plaque. I finally got it in the mail, guys. Thank you. I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for you guys, and I love it, and I love you guys more than anything in this entire world. Yeah, thank you so much for giving me this freaking opportunity to have something so cool in my life. You guys are so cool, and we're homies. I just spent probably really a long time playing with that. So yeah, but that might get changed again because I'm not sure if I love it still. But yeah. Fairy lights turned out. I think they're so cute. I think they're gonna be so cute when I turn all the lights off, even my LED lights, which I'll do really quick just to see what they look like. Oh, they're so cute. Yes, that definitely came out super cute. My camera's gonna die. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll come back when I charge my camera up some, but that looks really cute. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done that I didn't really film that much of, a little bit, and then I'm now cleaning up my makeup area and more organizing that. So I got this thing from Marshall's. It's like a little mirror, a little wood thing. It's really cute. I have it on this wall next to the mirror and stuff. And then I put these little boxes up. They're really cheap. And I put them like shelves, and I have little plants in them. My plaque. I have another one there with a little plant, and then a little, like, one of those sign things. Put that picture up there. Put that back there because it's really the only spot for it, and it's cute there. And then that's kind of all I've done. Now I'm cleaning this up. So I just cleared this off. I'm just obviously not done, and I put like just my stuff on the ground. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. It might, like, you know, go out, but I don't know yet. This is something I bought for like my makeup brushes. And then I have another little plant with a few of these. They're cute. I don't know my pink one. Oh, I stuck the pink one there. And then I bought this thing to organize my makeup and stuff. Little jewelry box there. And then just like stuck in here. Works really, really well. So I have that. Now I'm just gonna set it up and freaking probably do like a time-lapse thing. Hey guys, okay, so my room is done. I'm about to leave on a road trip, a really long one. So I'm really quickly gonna run you guys through the room. I really, really love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna give an overview now. I'm not gonna ramble on. I'm just gonna show you the room and tell you where everything's from and all that. So let's do it. So walking in is my amazing rug. I love it. It completes the room. I'll give you an overview. I have a laundry basket, my purse, this little white rug, my full-length mirror, really big. It's from TJ Maxx. I get a lot of questions on it. I have bulb lights from Target around it, really cute, really adds a good little warm touch. On this wall, I have this thing from Marshalls. So, yeah. Here's my side table. Love her. She's so cute. It's from TJ Maxx, and the accessories are probably, honestly, from TJ Maxx, too. And then this bedding is from TJ Maxx, and that little blanket is from Target. And then my curtains, the white ones are from Ikea. This one's from Target. I have little fairy lights I got at TJ Maxx. These little baskets, I'm actually not sure where they're from. They're probably from, like, Target or the dollar store. Little plants. YouTube plaque. Thank you guys. I love you guys literally so much. On this side, I have a little basket, a little plant, my little like and subscribe, listen to it, like and subscribe, this little picture, this plant, I love the plant. These 3 are from Target. I have a shelf with a bunch of plants and my little fun guy on there, I love him. So really cute. This thing has like a candle and some things on it. My little desk, cleared up, I have this with my makeup on it. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more room redecorating videos because I do this every 2 months. Bye!